Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? This is really cool. This is a 20-inch black and greens T porcelain sign. It's also convex. Convex, for those of you that are not sign collectors, means it bows out. It makes almost like a bubble, if you will. It's really in great shape, great content, great colors. Any kind of retail operation, if you got a type of coffee shop or tea shop or restaurant, this would be perfect for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.